Hello friends, my name is Digvijay Dusane and I am Charismatic Personality Architect. I am the core member of OPM, that is Online Profit Mastery. Thank you so much Bhaskar sir for giving me this opportunity. Okay. Here Bhaskar sir helped me in such a way that he gave a live audit of my L1 workshop. And he suggested me so many things, and accordingly I implemented all this. Okay, whenever I ask him for any help, anything, he is always there to help me out. Okay, and because of him only in this month I have closed 15 people, 1-5. Okay, and I have earned 75,000 rupees in a single month, and that is only because of Bhaskar sir. Right, he gave such a fantastic idea to generate leads and end-to-end automation as well, and because of him now I'm pretty relaxed. I just go and conduct my L1 workshop, complete end-to-end automation. This is the person, and this is a great shout out for Bhaskar sir that he did fantastic job. And this is not a program for me. This is not a program for me. This is opportunity which Bhaskar sir gave me to be with him, and I am with him, and I'll be with him for my lifetime, learning with him. So the people who wants to join him for anything to learn online profit mastery, I would suggest please do it immediately. Okay, thank you.